Now we turn to a case that started out as a wrongful termination lawsuit, but is turning into a battle over religious freedom. Leaders of a Catholic school in New York went to court this week to defend their right to choose a principal without government interference. The school is defending itself against a suit by a former principal who claims she was terminated because she was a woman. Joining us now is Eric Baxter, a senior attorney with the public interest law firm Becket. And you are defending St. Anthony's School and the Archdiocese of New York. Welcome to the program.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
Tell us what is happening with this case. You contend the principal plays the role of a religious leader, and because of that, she should be granted the same rights as a minister.
So this principal, she oversees the religious curriculum, she oversees all of the religious teachers, she leads the students every day in prayer, encourages students to live a Catholic life, to go to Mass. All of those things are part of her duties, and it's important for religious organizations to be able to pick their principals without government interference.
But she's not a minister, so why should the law treat her the same way?
The law, there's what's called a ministerial exception in the law, which says that under the First Amendment, churches receive special solicitude and are free to hire and employ people without government interference. It's not about whether your title is a minister, it's about whether your role is one as a religious leader or someone who gives religious message.
How important is this case in the realm of religious liberty? Do you expect to see many more cases like this?
Actually, the Supreme Court about 5 years ago issued a major ruling that should help courts see that they have to stay out of employment decisions by religious organizations. Unfortunately, this plaintiff tried to make this about discrimination, and about her attorney said that these schools, religious schools, are a threat to our democracy, and so this was an important opportunity for Becket to stand up and defend the Archdiocese of New York.
You're not going to want to answer this question, but how would that woman win?
Well, under this law, she cannot win as a religious leader in a school. The church has to be free to choose to hire her if she's not meeting the mission.
Then why
of
did
the
she file
religious
suit?
organization. It's really an unfortunate mistake, and hopefully the Second Circuit's going to get this one right.
If they don't, what will happen?
It could be remanded to a lower court for further decision making, but I felt really good about the oral argument that the court saw that they can't interfere in the hiring decisions of a religious organization.
Okay, and when will the court be the case be decided?
Probably in the next 3 or 4 months, but you never know.
Guess
We're
what?
waiting to see.
In 3 or 4 months, we'll see you back here.
Oh, very good.
Okay.
I look forward to it.
All right. Thank you so much, Eric Baxter with Becket.